Now we're replacing the rear shocks on this Toyota pickup, and I've already got these two bolts off. I just had to use a 14mm socket. I just unscrewed them. It was fairly simple, straightforward. So now you notice that I have the differential supported here using these jack stands, and that's causing the shocks to be compressed at the right location so that I can remove them fairly easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull on this shock and try to get it loose. I'm gonna wiggle it side to side like that, and it's just gonna come off like that. Similar idea for the top. A lot of dirt in there. There we go. What about this washer? Leave that on, right?
Sure, leave them on.
Alright, and so that's that. Alright. So I'm going to spray the bushing a little bit with the silicone lubricant. It doesn't harm rubber, and it'll help us put it on better. No straw. Okay.
Looks like good.
Yeah, look at that. I did it.
Okay.
Alright, I think at this point we can screw it down. So I'm going to install these now, and you'll notice that the side that has the corrosion, it's obviously the outside part. I'm going to screw this one in first. And then the top one. You see?
Mm-hmm.
It's fairly tight, but not. Make sure it's just about that tight up here too.